Good afternoon, Naini. Let's begin up with the class for today. I hope you all are fine. Okay, ji. Okay, who is going to give a recap of what we have covered in the previous class? Anyone? Chali, Ashima.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Ma'am, in last lesson, we have discussed about the speed, velocity, and the physical quantities and the two types, which are scalar quantity and the vector quantity.
Okay. Haven't we done about acceleration also?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, we did in the last card numericals.
So let's do the recap of what we have covered in the previous class. Then we are going to move on with the class for today. Okay. Hanji, please everyone switch on your video. Okay, first we have done about acceleration. So what is acceleration? Hanji Manjot.
Ma'am, the rate in change of velocity.
The rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. What acceleration means that how much you have changed the velocity and in how much time you bring that change. Fine. Kitna velocity mein change hua and in how much time that change take place. So that is what is your acceleration. Okay, we have two types of acceleration. One is positive acceleration and the second is negative acceleration. Fine. Who is going to talk about positive acceleration? Okay, Arpita.
When final velocity is greater than the initial velocity, it is said to be positive acceleration.
Very good. Very well said. Okay. Your eyes onto the screen, please. Let's say we go from a point to another. Fine. In the starting, we have the velocity 20 meter per second. At the last, there is no traffic, so we keep increasing the velocity, and at the last, we have the velocity of 60 meter per second. So there is a change in velocity, yes? Velocity may change hua. In the starting, we have 20. At the last, we are having 60. So there is a change in velocity, and this is a positive change. There is increase. Fine. So this kind of acceleration where the velocity is going to increase from the beginning. Whatever it is in the beginning, it is going to be more than that. You can say when we speed up, speed increase kari, we will be having positive acceleration. Other way of saying this is acceleration is what? Change in velocity. So यहाँ पे कितना change होगा? 60 minus 20. So it is going to be 40 meter per second, which is positive change. The value is going to be positive, so kind of positive change. Fine. So this is a positive acceleration. Second, we can talk about negative acceleration. Let's say in the beginning you have velocity 50 meter per second. And after some time when you, like there is a huge traffic, so you need to slow down, you need to apply the brake and you reach to 10 meter per second. So यहाँ पे velocity में change हुआ, definitely हुआ, but this is a negative change. Negative change means when it decreases, and here what we can say is that कितना change हुआ? 10 minus 50. So change in velocity is how much? Minus 40 meter per second. So this is the negative change. Fine. And divide by kuch time bhi loge aap. Whether you increase, whether you decrease, you will take some amount of time. Fine. So whatever is the change in velocity, divide by whatever the time you are going to take, that is going to give you the acceleration. If you speed up, that will be positive acceleration. If you speed down, change in velocity divided by time, that will be the negative acceleration. Hanji, I hope it is clear till here. Okay. Hanji, Pushpinder, you want to say something?
Ma'am, I have found a question. Ma'am, I'm not able to solve it.
You can please send it to me.
Ma'am, on WhatsApp.
Yes, you can. My phone is right now with me only. You can send.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Yes. Okay. In the previous class, we did 2 questions. Okay, one question is shared by Pushpinder. We are going to begin from there only. Is acceleration clear? I'm asking once again, is the concept of acceleration clear to you? We have acceleration. Acceleration means change in velocity over time. What is the change and what is the time to bring that change? Then we have 2 types of acceleration. One is positive and one is negative acceleration. Positive is when there is increase. Negative is when there is a decrease. Fine. Chale. Let's move on with the question now. I'm going to Hanji Manav. You raised your hand, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Ma'am, can you explain about variable acceleration and uniform acceleration?
Which one?
Variable acceleration and uniform acceleration.
Uniform and non-uniform. Yes, we are going to do that. Just wait. Okay, Ji. So let's write down the numerical. Let's solve the numerical. Please write down the question. An object covers an object changes its velocity from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour in 1 minute. Find its acceleration. Kindly write down the question. Don't worry if you are able to do it. Take 2-3 minutes in the beginning. Try to do it. Raghav Sharma, you need to have your notebook and you need to write it down. Stop this zooming in, zooming out. Please concentrate, write down. An object changes its velocity from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour in 1 minute. Find its acceleration. So what you have to do here is try it out. I'm going to write the steps to solve the numericals. Fine. If anybody has not written it yet, you can please note it down. We are going to follow some steps, mandatory whenever we solve the numerical. Fine. If you follow the steps well, there will be no problem in solving the numerical at all. And second thing is, you will be doing all the steps one by one. So you can give a try to this. Take 2 minutes, try it, else I'll be solving it also. My dear students, I have not marked your attendance yet. It will be marked in the last of the lesson. Fine. Plus, if your cameras are off, you will be removed from the class. And I'm going to check your notebook also one by one. Hanji Pushpinder, what is the doubt?
Ma'am, answer.
Hanji, boliye.
Ma'am, 1/6 meter per second square maybe.
Meter per second square. Okay. Let's see the answers by others. Hanji, who else is having one? Harman, do you have 1/6? Okay, good. Everyone just give a try to the question. If not clear, then I'll be doing it onto the board as well. On daily basis, we try to have one question. And from next week, we will be having one trick per week, fine, which is going to help you in solving the numericals well. Because you won't be having the calculator, so the easy methods to solve, those are very important. Raghav Sharma, Parth, Arjun, Gurshan, Pranav. This is the last time I'm saying this to you. Kindly switch on your camera, else I'll be removing you from the class. Anji, so let's do it onto the screen. I hope the answer 1/6 which you have tried is going to be correct. Okay, let's give a try to the question. And for all those who have not done it or not clear with it, kindly your eyes onto the screen. It's the request that you are not going to write it down, but you are going to listen it first. Fine, and understand it first. Because ये numerical paper में नहीं आएगा. Okay, what I mean is that it's not कि अगर आपको maths में मैम ने करवा दिया कि बेटा 2 + 2 is 4, कैसे करते हैं वो भी करवा दिया. Then 3 + 6 is 9, वो भी करवा दिया. So out of these two only the question is going to come. So it is not like that, na? Question means you will be having the addition question, कुछ भी आ सकता है. So you have to understand the way it is done. Fine. So chale, your eyes onto the screen, understand first and then you can write it down. Okay, the first step to solve numerical is given. So given means whatever is given in the question, write it down. Okay. So we have initial velocity. Initial velocity is denoted by small u and it is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. Then we have final velocity denoted by small v and it is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. Then we have time denoted by small t which is equal to 1 minute. Then we have acceleration denoted by small a which we have to find out. So this is all the given. Is it clear? So we have written the given. Now the second is conversion. Conversion means you have to see what you have written in the given. Are the things in the standard form or not? Now if I look on to this initial velocity, इसका unit यहाँ पे है kilometer per hour. But actually में ऐसा unit of velocity is what? Meter per second. So we have to bring kilometer per hour back to meter per second. Fine? Okay. Now before we do this, just do it over here. It is 36 kilometer per hour. Let's understand this. Khadak ji, please don't write, understand it first. Okay, so 36 kilometer per hour. We have to convert it into meter per second. तो क्या करेंगे? 36 लिखेंगे. Then in 1 kilometer, how many meters? 1000. Divide by in 1 hour, how many seconds? 3600. Done? ऐसे ही होता है? Okay. Now we will do the cancellation. Two zero cancelled. 20 cancelled. 2 5s are 10. 2 18s are 36. ये 36 को मैंने अभी तक टच नहीं करा. We have just done the calculation for 1000 divided by 36. Fine. And every time, whenever you do this calculation, you will get the answer 5/18. यही आएगा हमेशा calculate करके. Fine. So rather than doing this calculation again and again, you will do 1000 divided by 3600, 1000 divided by 3600, and again you do the calculation, you get 5/18. Rather than doing this, what we are going to do is, whenever we have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, just remember this, multiply the number directly with 5/18. समझ में आया क्यों 5/18 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया? Because every time you do 1000 divided by 3600 and every time you will get 5/18. So this will reduce your time a little. Okay? उसके बाद अपनी कैलकुलेशन कर दो. चलिए. Now let's solve this. Given we have written, now the second step we are going to follow, that is the conversion. Okay, let's do the conversion. It is 36 kilometer per hour. तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 36 multiply by 5 divide by 18. Five divided by 18. Now when you are going to divide this, eighteen ones are 18, 18 twos are 36. So what do you get? 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 meter per second. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Same way we will go with the final velocity. Final velocity को हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा नीचे करते हैं solve. Let's do it over here. Fine. So 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकंड में चेंज करना है. Again divide by 5. Multiply the number by 5 over 18. है ना? 5 divide by 18, and when you are going to solve this, 18 ones are 18, 18 fours are 72, and 4 multiplied by 5, it is going to be 20. Meter per second. Next is the time. Time is in the minute. Time का standard क्या होता है? Second. So 1 minute में कितने second? 60 second. So 1 multiplied by 60 is equal to 60 second. So this is the second step conversion. It is done. Next is the formula used. So acceleration find करनी है. Which formula we are going to use here? We are going to use the formula as A is equal to change in velocity, that is v minus u, divide by time, that is small t. Then is substitution. Substitution मतलब values put करो. Okay. So v final velocity is 20 minus initial velocity is 10. Divide by time, that is 60. So congratulations students, your answer is correct. So 20 minus 10 is 10. Divide by 60. 0, 0 will get cancelled. You will left up with 1 over 6 meter per second square. Done? Acha, okay. Now, it's good if you convert it into decimals. Yeah, somehow if you don't have the time, it's okay. But I say that it depends upon the examiner. Fine. But if you have the time, do it. So when you divide it, you will get the answer as 0.167 meter per second square. Hanji, Arpita ji, any doubt? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Hanji, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, we left up with the last step to solve numerical, that is result. Hanji, result लिख लिया. This 0.167 is the result. उसके बाद we are not going to leave the number alone. So we must be writing the unit. Fine. So unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Even if you don't write the unit, your numbers will be deducted. Fine. What is the mean of steps to solve numerical? It means that if you have done these 5 steps, there is no chance that you will be losing any of the marks. Like somehow, nahi question aata, that is a different thing. Somehow it is like you know the whole question very well. You have done the complete question. You get the answer also, but हो सकता है formula नहीं लिखा और answer के साथ unit नहीं लिखा. So for all those things, the marks will be reduced. Fine. So सारा answer सही है, still you are getting 2 out of 3. So then it's very hurting, है ना? And this is not about one. There can be many other like numericals. So if 2-3 times it's going to happen, then it's wrong. So these are the steps to follow. Chalo. Can we move on with the next question? I hope it is written. Anji Ripandeep Singh, is it written, beta? No? Why? Anji. Please answer.
Ma'am, writing.
So you are writing. Chalo beta, thoda
Yes,
jaldi
ma'am.
jaldi. Okay, do it, do it. Okay, Akshat Banhas, please show your notebook. Bring your notebook near to the camera. Akshat Manhas. Akshat. Okay, children, kindly keep this thing very clear that whenever I say that you have to show the notebook, either if you switch off or you leave, I'm sorry, my dear, I be marking the attendance at the last and I be not marking you present because you are not present. It's not that sitting in front of the camera means you're present. Fine. You're matured enough, you're here for your studies. Although you are at home, you know, still you people are doing this, then it's not good. I can understand there can be the problem that you are watching from phone. You don't have the laptop back home. That's okay. In that case, if you feel like that there is some problem, you're not able to send at the moment, then just after the class, the names which I have spoken, you can just send it to me on the WhatsApp. Then I can help you out. Charlie, let's move on with the next question. Okay. So here is your next question. An object moves with a constant velocity of 36 meter per second. For 1 minute, find its acceleration. An object moves with a constant velocity of 36 meter per second for 1 minute. Find its acceleration. Hanji, please go ahead with the question. Hello, hello. हाँ जी बच्चा, व्हाट इज द आंसर? यस अर्पिता.
Ma'am, minus 0.6 meter per second square.
Very good. And who else? If anybody got some other answer, please let me know. अर्पिता जी आंसर गलत है. Check once again. हाँ जी रिपनदीप.
हम 0.6 मीटर पर सेकेंड.
वेरी गुड. और सतेंद्र?
Ma'am, I think 0 meter per second as there is no change in velocity.
अच्छा. हाँ जी मंजोत?
हम 0.6.
0.6.
Yes.
Manjot,
Meter per second.
can you show me your notebook? Bring it close to the camera. फॉर्मूला लगाया आपने, a is equal to v minus u over t, है ना? उसके बाद क्या वैल्यूज पुट करी?
मैम a minus v upon t.
अच्छा.
u.
अच्छा u नहीं है, so you have done 36 divided by 60. यही किया? चलो
36 माइनस 0 कर दिया मैं.
गलत है भाई, गलत है. Okay, Satinder is going to say something once again. हाँ जी Satinder, please speak.
Ma'am, 0 meter per second square.
क्यों?
Ma'am, because the velocity is constant, there is no rate of change.
अच्छा चलिए, अर्पिता want to say something.
Ma'am, like Manjot did, the formula is v minus u. If final is not given, we can take it as 0, 0 minus 63, minus 63, divide by 60.
So what do you mean to say that if something is not given, take it 0?
Yes.
No beta, this way we can't take 0. हाँ जी हरमन?
Ma'am, I wanted to tell that in previous question we have done na, the answer was wrong. It was 0.166. You have written 0.167.
अच्छा okay. नहीं, that is correct. That is not wrong beta. That is correct. चलो, I am going to come to that point. Okay, just wait. हाँ जी पुष्पिंदर जी. हाँ जी.
Ma'am, in this question, can we suppose the final velocity and the initial velocity is the same?
I don't know. That you
Because
have
it was
to-
constant.
हाँ तो this is the what I'm saying. हाँ बिल्कुल सही है.
Mine answer is 0.6 meter per second square.
चलो गलत है. Okay. हाँ जी कृतिका.
Ma'am, as there is no change in the velocity of the object, so the acceleration will
Very
remain
well
zero.
said. Very well said. Very good. Okay, see, what is the formula of acceleration? What is the formula of acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity divided by time taken. ठीक है जी. इस क्वेश्चन में velocity में change कहाँ लिखा है? Is there any point where they have mentioned the change in velocity? Very well, it is written in the question. I think you are not able to understand the question carefully. It is very well mentioned there that object move with constant velocity. Constant का मतलब क्या होता है? whatever the velocity is, it remains the same. There is no change in it. Fine. और ये condition कब आएगी? Let's say you are going with a speed of 50 km/h और आगे कोई traffic नहीं है. The road is very clear. Fine. So you keep on going with that speed, that velocity. That means constant. ना आपने race दी, ना आपने brake लगाई. It is the same. Fine. Is this point clear? Acceleration तब होगा जब velocity में change होगा. In this case, there is constant velocity. मतलब velocity में change हुआ ही नहीं. And if there is no change in velocity, how you can talk about acceleration? Is this point clear? Or like if it is a 1 mark question, you can directly write the answer. There is no acceleration. आगे reason जरूर लिखोगे. Because acceleration is change in velocity. Here the velocity is constant, so no change. If it is of 2 or 3 marks, you have to solve and tell. Like here you have the formula acceleration is equal to v minus u over t. Fine. What is the final velocity? 36 km/h है. ठीक है, वो गलत क्वेश्चन आ गया भाई. I'm going to erase this. Okay. So the question is, you are going with 36 km/s and you keep moving with 36 m/s for 1 minute. Fine. So what is the acceleration? Acceleration is equal to v minus u divided by t. Final velocity कितनी है? 36. माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कितनी है? 36 डिवाइड बाय टाइम. मिनट है, उसको सेकंड में चेंज किया तो 60 सेकंड. 36 minus 36 0. So 0 over 60. The answer is what? 0 m/s square. Clear? चलिए. हाँ जी. Any confusion till the topics we have done today? Any confusion? Anyone? Clear? Okay. So we have covered 2 numericals, but that's going to play a very important role because it's not about how many numericals you have done. It's about how you understood the concept. Fine. So that is important. हाँ, अब ये promise करो कि अगर you have the same variety of questions, you are going to not do it wrong. Fine. Understand the question carefully, each and every word. देखो वहाँ पे constant velocity लिखा था, तो उसको समझो what that constant means. Fine. चलो. At the end, we have done something new today, which if comes directly in the exam somehow, है ना? So that is a plus point that you learned the things on time. चलिए. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Keep smiling. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Keep smiling. चलो.